Welcome to UPSC Study Academy, empowering aspirants and shaping futures.
Today, we are diving into the latest updates on the Indian cabinet. We have got ministers who are staying in their roles, new faces making their debut, and some significant shifts in their responsibilities. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, who is the PM for the third term. Key ministers who are staying put in their roles are as follows. Rajnath Singh continues as the Defence Minister. Amit Shah remains in charge of Home Affairs and Cooperation. Nitin Gadkari continues with the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Nirmala Sitharaman retains Finance and Corporate Affairs Ministry. S. Jaishankar remains the Minister of External Affairs. Virendra Kumar stays with the Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry. Additionally, we have ministers with the same portfolio but with some pluses and minuses. Piyush Goyal has kept the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, while relinquishing Textile, Food and Consumer Affairs. Dharmendra Pradhan is retaining the Ministry of Education but relinquishing the Ministry of Development. Ashwini Vaishnav is retaining Railways, Electronics and IT, adding Information and Broadcasting but relinquishing Communication Ministry. Sarbanand Sonowal is continuing with the Ministry of Ports and Shipping but relinquishing the Ministry of Ayush. Bhupendra Yadav is staying with the Ministry of Environment but relinquishing Labour. Hardeep Puri is retaining the Ministry of Petroleum while relinquishing the Ministry of Urban Development. Dr. Jitendra Singh is retaining the Ministry of Sciences and Technology while adding Earth Sciences. Now, let us welcome the new faces making their debut in the cabinet. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is taking over the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development. Jitin Ram Mahanji is taking over the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Manohar Lal Khattar is taking over the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and Power. Ram Mohan Naidu, who is also the youngest minister of the cabinet, is taking over the Ministry of Civil Aviation. H.D. Kumarasamy is taking over the Ministry of Heavy Industry and Steel. Lalan Singh is taking over the Ministry of Panchayat Raj, Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Chirag Paswan is taking over the Ministry of Food Processing and Industries. C.R. Patel is taking over the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Annapurna Devi is taking over the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Previously, she was an MOS in the former government. Finally, let's look at the ministers who have shifted roles. Prahalad Joshi is the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, along with New Renewable Energy. Earlier, he was handling the Ministry of Coal Mines and Parliamentary Affairs. Giriraj Singh is the Minister of Textiles, previously managing Rural Development and Panchayat Raj. Jyoti Aditya Scindia is the Minister of Communication and Development of the Northeastern region, earlier managing Civil Aviation and Steel. Kiren Rijiju is the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Minority Affairs. Earlier, he was handling the Ministry of Earth Sciences. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is the Minister of Tourism and Culture. Previously, he was managing the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Manshukh Mandavia is the Minister of Labour and Employment and Youth Affairs, along with Sports. Previously, he was handling Health, Chemical and Fertilizers. G. Kishan Reddy is the Minister of Coal and Mines, earlier managing Culture. J.P. Nadda is back as he takes control of the Health and Welfare of Family Ministry. Jewel Oram is back as the Minister of Tribal Welfare. And that's a wrap on the latest cabinet reshuffle. We hope this gives you a clear picture of who's who in the Indian government. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Hit the bell icon to stay notified on our latest videos and updates. See you next time.